Hi everyone, we are Team 25. Now I will introduce our team's backend server. Our backend server is running by a Django server. Because our project is using resource-oriented architecture, every data, function, and services in our project can be treated as a resource. Those resources are identified by unique URLs. Django server will use REST API to handle the incoming HTTP request and apply required action on the resource that URL pointing to. Then the server will send back a response to the front end with the data required. This is just a basic example of our client-server communication. Our server provides a wide range of REST API that allow users to do different kinds of operations. The Django server are connected to the CouchDB database in other virtual machine instance. They communicate with each other using HTTP protocol with RESTful API. It allows server to modify or retrieve data from those databases and send them to clients by using create, read, update, and delete operations. At last, our Django server is inside a Docker container. This container will isolate the server from other processes on the virtual machine and also provide easier deployment.
Since our datasets come from different platforms, we set up 4 instances with CodeDB to store them. 2 are for the static data like pseudo and preprocessed Twitter data. You can see that one is main and one is backup with replication. That's for the availability, because we all know things happen on MRC. And inside of each CodeDB server, we store data separately based on their source and variables. So there are 8 databases in each instance. Then for the dynamic data, we have a similar structure, but this time we have one more instance as a harvester to get the ongoing data from the Mastodon APIs. Mastodon is less popular choice than Twitter, so we select 2 servers to get enough data for our project. Then we assign this harvester instance with 2 CPUs and run an MPI script to retrieve data from the 2 servers simultaneously and push them into the right database. And all of this is deployed by Ansible. Okay, that's the end of our architecture part. Thank you for listening.